Welcome to VitaCure channel. Have you ever thought yourself that if we include clove tea consistently in our daily diet, what long-term psychological changes will occur in our bodies? Consuming clove tea regularly can have various effects on the body. Clove tea is made from the dried flower buds of the clove plant and is known for its distinct flavor and potential health benefits. Here are some things that may happen to your body when you drink clove tea every day. 1. Antioxidant properties. Clove tea contains antioxidants that can help protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals. Antioxidants are known to have potential health benefits and may contribute to overall well-being. 2. Digestive benefits. Clove tea has been traditionally used to aid digestion. It may help relieve digestive discomfort, reduce bloating, and support healthy digestion. However, individual experiences may vary. 3. Anti-inflammatory effects. Clove tea contains compounds that have anti-inflammatory properties. Regular consumption of clove tea may help reduce inflammation in the body, although it's important to note that chronic or severe inflammation may require medical attention. 4. Oral health benefits. Clove tea is often associated with oral health benefits. It may help alleviate toothaches and gum pain thanks to its natural analgesic and antimicrobial properties. Additionally, clove tea is sometimes used as a breath freshener. 5. Blood sugar regulation. Some studies suggest that clove tea may help regulate blood sugar levels. However, more research is needed to fully understand its effects on diabetes management. If you have any diabetes or any concerns about blood sugar control, it's important to consult with a healthcare professional. 6. Potential side effects. While clove tea is generally safe for most people when consumed in moderation, excessive intake may lead to side effects. These can include gastrointestinal discomfort, allergic reactions, or interactions with certain medications. It's always a good idea to consult with your healthcare provider or a qualified herbalist before making significant changes to your daily routine or if you have any underlying health conditions. 7. Immune system support. Clove tea contains compounds that have antimicrobial and antiviral properties. These properties may help support the immune system and protect against certain infections. However, it's important to note that clove tea alone cannot prevent or cure illnesses, and maintaining a healthy lifestyle overall is crucial for a strong immune system. 8. Respiratory health. Clove tea is often used as a home remedy for respiratory issues such as coughs, colds, and congestion. It may help alleviate symptoms due to its expectorant properties, which can help loosen phlegm and mucus. However, if you have a persistent or severe respiratory condition, it's essential to seek medical advice. 9. Nutritional value. Clove tea contains several essential nutrients including vitamins C and K, manganese, and dietary fiber. While the concentration of these nutrients may not be as high as in whole cloves, consuming clove tea as part of a balanced diet can contribute to your overall nutrient intake. 10. Blood circulation. Clove tea may have a positive impact on blood circulation. It contains compounds that can help relax blood vessels and improve blood flow. This effect may be beneficial for cardiovascular health, although it should not replace established medical treatments or advice. As with any herbal tea or supplement, it's essential to consume clove tea in moderation and be aware of any potential interactions with medications or existing medical conditions. If you have specific concerns or questions, it's best to consult with a healthcare professional or a qualified herbalist for personalized advice. So how's the video so far? If you liked the video, be sure to like it. Also, if you like this type of videos, subscribe to our channel. So now let's address this question. Are there any specific precautions or side effects associated with consuming clove tea? While clove tea is generally considered safe for most people when consumed in moderation, there are a few precautions and potential side effects to be aware of. 1. Allergic reactions. Some individuals may be allergic to cloves or other spices in the same botanical family, such as cinnamon or bay leaves. If you leave known allergies to these substances, it's best to avoid clove tea or any products containing cloves. 2. Gastrointestinal discomfort. Consuming excessive amounts of clove tea may cause gastrointestinal discomfort such as heartburn, stomach pain, or diarrhea. It's important to moderate your consumption and listen to your body's response. 3. Drug interactions. Clove tea may interact with certain medications. It's particularly important to exercise caution if you're taking blood-thinning medications, anticoagulants, or medications metabolized by the liver. Clove tea contains compounds that can affect blood clotting and liver enzymes. If you're on any medications, it's advisable to consult with your healthcare provider to determine if there are any potential interactions. 4. Pregnancy and breastfeeding. Pregnant and breastfeeding women should exercise caution when consuming clove tea. While moderate amounts of clove spice used in cooking are generally considered safe, high doses or concentrated forms such as supplements or essential oils may not be safe during pregnancy or breastfeeding. It's best to consult with your healthcare provider for guidance. 5. Dental considerations. Clove tea, although sometimes used for oral health benefits, should be used with caution if you have dental work or sensitive teeth. Clove oil or high concentrations of clove may cause irritation or discomfort in some individuals. Remember, individual responses to clove tea can vary, and it's always a good idea to start with small amounts and observe how your body reacts. If you experience any adverse effects or have concerns about consuming clove tea, it's recommended to consult with a healthcare professional or a qualified herbalist for personalized advice. In conclusion, incorporating clove tea into your daily routine can offer a range of potential benefits for your overall well-being. The antioxidant properties, digestive support, anti-inflammatory effects, and potential blood sugar regulation of clove tea make it an enticing choice. Additionally, its oral health benefits, immune system support, potential respiratory health benefits, and contribution to blood circulation further enhance its appeal. However, it's important to consume clove tea in moderation. Be mindful of any potential allergies or interactions with medications, and consult with a healthcare professional if you have any concerns. By embracing the potential advantages of clove tea and maintaining a balanced lifestyle, you can savor the positive impact of it on your body and overall health. Before finishing this video, I invite you to watch our video about what happens to your body when you eat ginger every day. Like always, if you have any questions or suggestions, we're here to answer them in the comment section. Thank you for watching, and be sure to like, subscribe, and share this video with anyone you think it could be helpful to them. I'll see you soon.